This is the largest blue hole on the planet, and until today has virtually been undocumented. So, what is a blue hole? Basically, it's a large marine sinkhole that is open to the surface, and most were formed during the past ice ages. Now, a quick Google search will tell you that the largest blue hole in the world is the Great Blue Hole in Belize. And this is true with regards to the volume of water that it holds. However, the diameter of the Turks and Caicos blue hole is about twice as wide as the Great Blue Hole in Belize, thus making it the largest one on the planet in terms of its diameter. I've been coming to the Turks and Caicos for a few years now to collaborate on a variety of different video projects with Wake to Wake. And on one trip we'd heard stories about this blue hole in a very remote part of the island, about 50 kilometers away from where we were, and it was extremely difficult to access because the surrounding water was about 2 feet deep, making it only accessible on a personal watercraft. And today we're finally able to make this project happen thanks to my friends at Sea-Doo and Wake to Wake. I brought along fellow creators Aaron Krause and Jeremiah Davis with me for this epic journey. And after a bunch of planning and mapping out our adventure, we were ready to go. We packed up all our gear on the Sea-Doos along with an extra gas tank and set out to go find the blue hole. Extra fuel on the back. We're about to go find the largest blue hole on planet Earth. This is going to be one hell of an adventure. I'm ready.
Time to get this adventure started.
Cruising for like an hour now. We're pretty close. We had to go around this like little cliff. Not a cliff, an island. You can see that.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
To the massive blue hole. The edge is right there. This thing is so big that you can't even tell the magnitude of it from the Sea-Doo. So I'm gonna get the drone up in the air.
A few minutes later.
Oh, there's a massive rain cloud coming.
That's a big storm back there! Woo! Chris is a black dot out there. It's raining!
We only just made it back. I have 1 bar of fuel left. I cannot believe how far we went. That was absolutely insane.
Guys, day 2. Guess what we're not doing? Getting sunburned. Not today. Not on my watch.
Just made out to the shipwreck.
And I've seen this thing many a times on Chris Rogers' YouTube, but to be here with him is pretty crazy.
First time at the shipwreck, we're gonna go send it. Welcome to my yacht.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
Let's go, just darling. Come this way. Good stuff over here. Don't be scared.
You're like, no. This is the redemption jump. Look at this. Look at this red. Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. Savage.
Couldn't come to Turks and Caicos without getting a little bit of free diving in with Aaron. Actually, you should just record this vlog.
Okay. Couldn't come all the way to Turks and Caicos and not jump in the water. We're gonna get a little freediving action right now. Hopefully we'll find some dolphins. We'll see. That'd be pretty magical. That would definitely check off my Turks and Caicos bucket list. Oh, and it's the 3rd largest reef in the world.
Let's get in.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Epic. Turks and Caicos, man.
Well, that's a wrap. We just got off the water. A little thunderstorm is rolling in, but I want to give a massive shout out to Sea-Doo and Wake to Wake for just ticking off an insane bucket list adventure, and so cool to have Jeremiah and Aaron on the trip as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week.
Hey, are you guys seeing this rain coming in? Liquor, man, I feel like it's the potion. We had the blue hole trying to get the deep. Everybody want to hear the ugly man speak. You gotta pay like $500 just for a feet. They paying money just to hear me on the beat. I hope you ain't missed that. Over.
Chat one.